Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside BlockSurvey. BlockSurvey is a privacy-focused platform that allows individuals and businesses to create surveys, polls, and forms while ensuring that their data remains secure and private. Unlike traditional survey tools, BlockSurvey uses blockchain technology to keep user responses anonymous and fully encrypted, meaning that only the survey creators has access to collect the data. This makes it ideal to handling sensitive information like feedback, personal opinions, and confidential data without worrying about privacy breaches or misuse of data. Additionally, BlockSurvey doesn't track user or collect metadata, offering a safer and more ethical way to gather insights. And in this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside BlockSurvey with Pably Connect. Okay, you can see I've created a workflow in the name of how to set up Webhook inside BlockSurvey. After creating the workflow, you can see right away on the screen there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means that action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step, and for the trigger application, we are going to select it as BlockSurvey. Okay, so I'm going to select my trigger application over here as BlockSurvey. As in this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside BlockSurvey with Pably Connect. And for the trigger event, you can see a trigger event in the name of new response has been provided to us in our Pably Connect workflow. So here what is going to happen with the help of this trigger event, whenever a new form submission is going to be done with the help of BlockSurvey by any of the customers or clients, automatically Pably Connect is going to capture the response of that with the help of this trigger event. So I'm going to select my trigger event as new response. Okay. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pably Connect has provided us with a Webhook URL. With the help of this unique Webhook URL, we're going to connect BlockSurvey to Pably Connect. So I'm going to copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, I'm going to follow the steps given here below in the help desk one by one to connect BlockSurvey to Pably Connect. So let us read the steps given here below in the help desk. It says log into your BlockSurvey.io account. From BlockSurvey, go to the integration tab in the BlockSurvey builder. Select Webhooks. Click on add new Webhook below. A new Webhook entry windows open. Add a Webhook name for reference. Copy the URL above and paste it under the URL field. Click on Capture Webhook Response button below and perform a test record to ensure the response is captured. The Webhook response is captured here. So these are the steps. We are going to follow them one by one. Log into your BlockSurvey account. So this is my BlockSurvey account, as you can see right over here. Now what we are going to do is, this is the form that I've created with the help of BlockSurvey. I want to connect this form to Pably Connect. So I'm going to open this form from here. So this is the builder page of this form right over here. Okay. In the builder option right over in the tab above, it says integrate. Click on it. Okay. After coming to that, under integrations, you can see it says Webhook. Click on it. As I'm going to click on Webhooks, you can see right over here it says add new Webhook. Click on this option right over here. As we're going to do that, it is asking for the name of the Webhook. So for the name of the Webhook over here, I'm going to give it as testing. Okay. And for the URL, I'm going to paste the Webhook URL that Pably Connect has provided us. For the request type, I'm going to select over here as post. Okay. For the status, I'm going to turn on the status. Over here, you can add the custom headers according to your requirement. I do not require them, so I'm going to skip the part. And after that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button right over here. As I've done that, over here we can see the responses received. This is a positive response. I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. You can see right away we received the test response right over here. This means that the Webhook is now been successfully added to my BlockSurvey account. Okay. In place of this test response, I want the response of the form submission. So I'm going to click on this recapture Webhook response button and yes right over here. As I'm going to do that, you can see right over here it is saying waiting for Webhook response. So I've created a form with the help of BlockSurvey, and over here we are going to do the test form submission to check whether BlockSurvey is successfully connected to Pably Connect or not. For doing the test submission, I'm going to open the form that I've created with the help of BlockSurvey. So this is the form that I've created, and now we are going to do the test submission of this form right over here. It is asking for the first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as demo22. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testdemo22@pablitudes.com. For the phone number over here, for the country code, I'm going to select it as India. After selecting the country code, for the phone number over here, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number. And for the country over here, I'm going to select it as India again. I'm going to select the country as India. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit button to do the test submission. It says thank you for your time. This means the form submission has now been done. As the form submission is done, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. Over here, I'm going to wait for a few seconds. After waiting for a few seconds, you can see right away we've received a new response in this workflow. Let us tally the response. For the first name comes as test, last name comes as demo22. Over here for the phone number, we have received a mobile number. For the email as testdemo@pablitudes.com with the country as India and all the other details. So this means that BlockSurvey is connected to Pably Connect, and this is how you set up Webhook inside BlockSurvey with the help of Pably Connect. So this was it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pably Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pably.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pably.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pably Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.